Hello, Wednesday morning, yeah, and we are back. This is a common fault, yeah, it's a very common one, and yeah, we have like three phones with same fault. So this is iPhone 7, yeah, and he comes speaker, earpiece, not working, things like that. If you try to make a call, yeah, actually you cannot switch from the speaker to the loudspeaker, yeah, and it's no sound, so it's nothing, it's no sound, yeah, and you can see you cannot switch. But the speaker is good, like the loudspeaker. The both speakers are good, but if you think this is like it's same like on the computer when you don't have a sound card, so the system is not seeing the sound chip because it's not seeing the sound chip. You cannot change from the loudspeaker to the speaker. You can't do nothing. It's like you don't have a sound chip there. Yeah, so that's the fault. What we will do, replace the sound I see. Yeah. Okay. It's not a very hard job, but you should be careful because the 7 is still expensive. Okay, this is looking very good. So I don't think anyone worked on this one. I'll try to keep all the screws in one place. Yeah. I never done this job before. Yeah, so this is the first time when when I'm replacing this chip. But you know what can be wrong? It's a chip when you have soldering skill. You know you can replace anything. So never done this job before. Okay, this is first time for me. Okay, let's take the board out. Okay. not the first time when I open a iPhone 7. It's the first time when I replace the audio AC. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Okay, the SIM card. Charging port. Okay, so the board is out. Looks okay, looks fine. You know what we should try first, yeah? We should try just resoldering the audio AC. Yeah, that's the one. And see if that will fix the problem. Because I have the audio AC, yeah, yeah. But I just want to see if only resoldering, yes, or reflow, how you prefer to say, will fix the problem, yeah? Let's see. Microscope. Okay, it's on focus. Let's use some flux. That should be enough. Okay, let's say 350, yeah? Just want to be safe. Three 370 more air. Yeah, it's moving, yeah? Let's see if that will fix the problem. Where is the heatsink? Yeah, that's the one. My camera is frozen. Okay. Let's try to cool down the chip. Let's see. Okay, I did something wrong here. Okay. SIM card. See the screen. And finally the battery, yeah?
We're putting you through to our pay-as-you-go top-up service. This call is free. Get up and...
Yeah, low signal.
Putting you through to our pay-as-you-go top-up service. This call is...
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear.
Reward. Text reward. 202 to join today. That's reward.
So what's the point replacing the chip if it's just a reflow is making the phone working, yeah?
To top up by credit or debit card, press 1.
Okay.
By voucher, 2.
So that's the solution for the audio AC. Okay. I'll see if the job will come back. Just to replace the chip, because I'm thinking it will come back. It's no point. We'll see. If the job will come back, I'll make another video and I'll tell you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the channel, and see you later. Yeah.